Here, SSS criterion for similar triangle children here. Already we learned earlier AA similarity criterion. There, if two triangles are equiangular triangles means we proved that corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Then we accepted that two triangles are similar. Here just a reverse question means converse. How? If two triangles are on the same ratio, that means AB by DE, AB by DE is equal to AC by DE and BC by EF. When the corresponding sides are in the same ratio, it is asking to accept the two triangles are similar. Why should we accept? We need two conditions. First condition is the corresponding sides are in the same ratio, and second condition is corresponding angles must be equal. When these two conditions are applicable for the two triangles, then we accepted that the two triangles are similar. So he given as the corresponding sides are in the same ratio, then we have to prove the corresponding angles are equal. Then we are going to accept the two triangles are similar. Clear, children? Okay. See the hypothesis, children. In triangle ABC, comma in triangle DEF, he given as AB by DE is equal to AC by DF, that is equal to given as AC by BC by EF. So he is asking to prove, required to prove is show angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, have the same angle C is equal to angle F. So construction, we need some construction, that is mark a point N on AB and mark a point N on AC, and also Nana DE is equal to AM and DF is equal to AM, then we join NN. So simply I did like that. So mark N and N on AB and AB comma AC are respectively such that DE length is equal to AM length, and at the same time DF length is equal to AN length. I took like this. Okay, now I am going to do the proof. In earlier AA similarity criterion, we shown these two triangles are congruent because there we have some supported axiom is there, that is SAS axiom. But here side is equal to side, but we don't know this angle is equal to angle, so that we are unable to get the two triangles are congruency because there is no supported axiom now. Now, that's why go just a little bit you take as these two sides. What he given that you take itself. In triangle ABC comma DEF, he given that AB by DE is equal to AC by DF. I took this part. But AB by, instead of DE, we have to write AM. AC by, instead of DF, we can write as AM. I written like this. When I written like this, here write. Why should we write here? Write it, sir. Means just according by the construction. Okay, sir. I got AB by AM and AC by AM. Once you check this part, this method in the triangle, and you observe how it is. AB by AM, AC by AM. Oh, it is according converse of basic proportionality theorem. We have to say M line is parallel to AC. Not only I am going to write here. According converse of basic proportionality theorem, we have to say Mn is parallel to BC. Sir, when Mn is parallel to BC, these two lines are parallel means this is one of the transversal, this is another one of the transversal. means automatically the corresponding angles are equal. That only I am going to write. And AB comma AB and AC are transversal lines. When they are transversal, we have to write angle B is equal to angle AMN, and also angle C is equal to, we can write as angle ANN. Okay, now clear? When I written like this, I am going to compare that triangle ABC and the triangle AMN. When I compare these two triangles, what have we understood, children? The corresponding angles are equal. Angles are equal. When the corresponding angles are equal, we have to say triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMN. Already we learned that AA similarity criteria. Supported that the corresponding angles are equal. According you are write as by supported theorem is AA similarity criteria. By the help of AA similarity criteria, we have to accept ABC is similar to AMN. When these two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. That one I am going to write here. AB by AM is equal to, we have to write BC by MN. One more also we have to write. No need that. I need this much only. AB by, instead of AM, what is there than AM? Here AM. AM is equal to B and here BC by. I got like this, but for the same AB by DE is equal to here BC by EF is there. That only I am going to write. According to the data, AB by DE is equal to BC by EF. Means what happened now? This is AB by DE, this is AB by DE. Therefore, BC by MN. BC by MN is equal to BC by EF. So what happened? BC equal to BC, then MN is equal to EF. MN is equal to EF. Okay. When we got MN is equal to EF, now we have to compare these two triangles. We get that supported axis. What is that means? In triangle, also in triangle AMN, comma triangle DEF. See, in these two triangles, in this AM side is equal to their DE side. How you know? It is by the construction. And AM is equal to DF. This is how you know it is by the construction, right? As construction. But third one is MN side is equal to EF. How you know? By the proof. We proved this is by the proof. Oh, these two triangles are satisfied. SSS axiom. They are satisfied. Find SSS axiom. Okay, children. When they are satisfied SSS axiom, these two triangles are congruency. Triangle DF is congruency to triangle AMN. When these two triangles are congruency, their corresponding parts are equal. That corresponding parts are angle D is equal to angle A. Angle D is equal to angle A. And angle E is equal to angle AMN. But this AMN is equal to, we got AMN is equal to, where we got AMN is equal to, AMN is equal to, already we know AMN, both are corresponding angles. AMN is equal to angle B. This is also already have proved. And angle F is equal to, this F is equal to angle ANM. But this ANM is equal to, already we proved C. So what happened? A is equal to D quotes, B is equal to E we got, and C is equal to we got F. So they are satisfied A also, and the corresponding angles are also equal. Even corresponding sides are in the same ratio. We proved corresponding angles are equal. Then after we accepted as triangle ABC is similar to triangle DDR. Have you understand clearly, children? Any confusion is there? check once how I did. First I took these two parts now. Here I took, instead of these two parts, construction lengths I written AM and N. For this is equal to AM, for this is equal to AM. I checked in this triangle. When I compared the parts in this triangle, I got AB by AM is equal to AC by AA. Oh, we understood according to the converse of basic proportionality theorem, Mn is parallel to BC. When I accepted Mn is parallel to BC, the corresponding, these two are the transversal lines, these two are the corresponding angles. Okay, M is equal to B, N is equal to C, and A is the common angle. So these two triangles are similar. When these two triangles are similar, here, where we did here. When these two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. That's why AB by AM is equal to BC by MN. But AC by, instead of AM, I written as DE. AB by DE is equal to BC by MN. But AB by DE is equal to already BC by EF is there. That I written here. So that what happens children? These two are equal, so the answers are equal. BC equal to BC, MN is equal to EF. Oh, MN is equal to EF. Then I got these two triangles and compare the sides. Side equal to side, side equal to side. Just now we got MN is equal to EF. Oh, these two triangles are side equal to SS axiom. That's right. These two triangles are congruency. When these two triangles are congruency, their corresponding angles are equal. E is equal to M, M is equal to B. Not only I written here. F is equal to N, N is equal to C. Not only I written here, sir. So already A is equal to D. So A is equal to D, B is equal to E, C is equal to F. Means E given corresponding sides are in the same ratio. I proved the corresponding angles are equal. Then we understood. Anyway, if two triangles have their corresponding sides are in the same ratio, we have to accept the corresponding angles are equal. Then we have to accept the two triangles are similar. Clear, children? Thank you, children.